Hello friends, our today topic is dominant triads in minor keys. So as you remember last time we did in major keys the dominant triad, this time we're going to do it in the minor keys. So you can see here that it's the same thing, the dominant in the minor also is the same, the fifth degree, we make the triad on the fifth degree. So dominant triad is minor key are built on the fifth degree of the minor scale. Here is the harmonic minor scale of A minor with the triad built on the first and fifth degree. So you can see, because this is a harmonic minor, not a natural minor, that's why the seventh degree has been raised. And when you make the triad on the fifth degree, on the dominant one, you can see the seventh degree is there, will come, that will be again raised by a semitone. Okay, so here is the dominant triad in the key of A minor. The G is raised because G sharp is the seventh degree of the A harmonic minor scale. This is the scale to use when you think about chord in grade 3. The dominant triad is often labeled as Roman number 5, showing that the chord is built up on the fifth degree of the scale. Composers could also label the dominant triad in A minor using chord symbol like this. Okay, and when you have to show the chord symbol, then you put the E like that on the top of it. Okay, so let's start away. We'll start our exercises. So let's begin. So you can see the first one. You can read the example over here. Here are some harmonic minor scales. Write triad on the first, fifth degree of the scales and label them with Roman number. So we have to this time we have to mention it as with the Roman numeral. Okay. So this is the first one. So this is, you can see, this is E minor. So let's start from, this is the first degree, but this time you can see this is a small one, not the in the Roman one, not the big one. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5, this is the fifth, then the last one. Okay, let's make the degrees now, or try it now. Now you can see this is the 7th degree raise harmonic minor, so you have to put a sharp here as well. For right now, just do it. Okay, now next one, this is going down to up, so this is our first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then the first. Then you can see, let's make the triad here as well. Okay, and the last one. Okay, so and this one, you can see 7th degree is raised, so we're gonna make a sharp here, right? Okay, so let's do the last one in this exercise. Again going down to up now. So this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth degree, and then the tonic again. We make the triads. Yeah. Okay, and this is the 7th degree raised, so this will come here. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. Okay, in the next page, next exercise, you can see from down to up again. So let's mark them first, second, third, fourth, fifth, then the tonic again, make the triads. Seventh degree raised, so you have to raise this one as well. Okay, now next one we have again from down to up. Let's do it. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, tonic again, make the triads. Seventh degree raised here. Let's put accidental here. Okay, now next one we have, here are some harmonic minor scales. Write triads on the first and fifth degree of the scales and label them with chord symbols. Okay, so this time we don't have to show with the Roman numbers, we have to show with the chord symbols. So you can see from down to up. Let's make the degrees first. Sorry, the triads 1 2 3 4 5, and the 7th degree to be raised. Now this one, you can see this is our E, So E minor, then this is our G. Sorry, this is G. I have to check. No, this is E only. What happened to me? This is E minor, then this is our GB, so this is B, and this is again E minor. Okay, now let's move to the next one. So next one we have from, let's move up. So now we have, let's put that triads first, because you're going down to up. This is 1 2 3 4 5. This is the last one. Okay, let's put the accidental here. Now you can see this is no accidental here, no key signature here, so this is the C, A minor. So we start with the A, so this is A minor, then this one is our E, so this is E, and this is again A minor. Okay, now next one we have from down to up, from up to down. So this is our first degree, second, third, fourth, fifth degree, then the last tonic degree. Let's put the accidental here on the 7th. So here we are gonna go, this is our 1 flat, so this is our D minor, this is our A, and this is again D minor. Okay, now next one we have, I hope is you can see it. Next we have down to up, so let's put the 1 2 3 4 5, make the triads first. Now put the accidental here, then this is 2, and this is our G, this is G minor, so we're gonna go G minor here, G minor, and this one is D. Okay, now next one, the last one we have in this exercise, that is from up to down. So let's do the first one, the first degree, second, third, fourth, fifth degree, and the last one we have here. Okay, we put the accidental here, and we're gonna go, this is 2 sharps, and this is our B, so this is G and B, yes, so this is our B minor, this is B minor, and this is our F sharp. Okay, so here we finish this topic, and I will see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.